Welcome to My Fridge Online. The Smart Cold dashboard can be accessed by clicking Dashboard on the side navigation bar. Here you will be able to view your device's status, as well as control your device remotely. Devices can be searched through from the search bar, and they can also be filtered by status using the drop-down menu. Each device is displayed in a device card. The device card displays information such as the device's name and serial number. The selected parameters display value, the last sync date and time of the device, parameter readings. These can be cycled through by clicking the arrow buttons, device signal, and the controls menu. The color of the device card indicates the device's status. These can be one of the following: Normal, which is displayed by a green card; Alert, which is displayed by a red card; and Offline, which is displayed by a black card. The controls menu can be accessed by clicking the control button on the right side of the card. Here you can remotely control your device to perform different functions. Clicking the power button will turn your device off or on. Clicking the defrost button will set your device to defrost. This will also be indicated on the device by the same icon. Clicking continuous cycle will set your device to continuous cycle. This will also be indicated on the device by the same icon. The device configuration page can be accessed by clicking on the top banner of the device card. On the Overview tab, parameter cards and chips are displayed. You can view information such as parameter readings, parameter statuses, and parameter alert configurations. These are displayed by chips and cards, both of which will change color based on its current status. Parameters can be filtered by status using the drop-down menu. Clicking on any card or chip will select it. This can be done for multiple cards or chips. The selected cards or chips will then turn pink to indicate it has been selected, and a menu will open on the right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on the pencil icon will allow you to edit the parameter. Here you can edit the parameter's name and template. Templates define how the reading will be formatted for display on the dashboard. For example, when editing a temperature probe, you can select between degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Alerts can be configured by clicking on the Rules tab. Rules can be applied to a parameter to configure the server to dispatch alerts when the specified condition triggers. The Setpoint rule can be applied to a parameter to configure the server to dispatch alerts when the value is reached. To configure the Setpoint rule, click the plus button and select the rule named Setpoint. Then configure the alert by adding a delay and selecting an alert group, then adding the alert condition. After you are done, click Save, then click Submit. Parameters can also be graphed by clicking the graph icon on the selection menu. On this screen you can graph your parameters data according to various time ranges. The graph type can also be changed from the drop-down menu. The View tab displays read-only parameters. The table contains the parameter value, shortcode, and description. These can be searched through from the search bar and can be filtered by type using the drop-down menu. Editable parameters can be found by clicking on the Edit tab. The table on this page displays editable parameters, their values, shortcode, and descriptions. These can be searched through from the search bar and can be filtered by type using the drop-down menu. Values can be edited by clicking on the New Value field. Once a valid value is entered, the row will be highlighted in green. This can be repeated for multiple parameters. Once complete, click the Save button on the right side of the screen to save your changes. Alerts determined by the controller can be configured by clicking on the bell icon. This will bring up the edit dialog for the defrost probe. Adding the Smart Cold Board Alert rule to the defrost probe allows alerts to be dispatched from the server when one or more controller alarms get triggered. Select the Rules tab and click the plus button. Select the rule named Board Alert. Configure the alert by adding a delay and selecting an alert group. Click Save, then Submit. Alerts will now be dispatched to the users in the alert group when the controller's alarms are triggered. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to contact us.